There is one specific ritual separating those who build serious wealth from those who stay permanently broke. It happens exactly once a month, costs absolutely nothing, and takes only 30 minutes of your time. Skip this simple habit, and catching up financially becomes an almost impossible mountain for you to climb. Most hardworking people completely ignore this practice, wondering why their bank accounts never seem to actually grow. The few who do this religiously achieve total financial freedom, while everyone else remains stressed and confused. Many people earn fantastic salaries but still treat their monthly personal finances like a complete mystery box. Money flows in, money flows out, and they just passively watch it disappear without any real plan. This is exactly why someone earning a high income can still live paycheck to paycheck every month. Building wealth is never just about how much money you earn during your active working years today. It is entirely about whether you actively manage your money or rely on passive hope for tomorrow. The ultimate difference between wealth and struggle is a dedicated monthly money meeting with your own finances. During the first week of every single month, you must block out 30 minutes on your calendar. This meeting is absolutely not optional if you actually want to stop losing money and build wealth. First, you must pull up every single financial account where you currently hold any of your money. Look closely at your checking, savings, credit cards, student loans, and all of your long-term investment accounts. Write down the exact current balance of every single account so you see your complete financial picture. Most adults have no real idea what their actual net worth is because they never track it. Add up absolutely everything you own, then subtract everything you owe to reveal your true net worth. This single number becomes your ultimate financial scoreboard, showing whether you are currently winning or losing financially. When you track this exact number monthly, you stop making important financial decisions based on temporary feelings. If your net worth increased this month, you know you are finally doing something right with money. If your net worth dropped, something must change immediately before you end up in serious financial trouble. Next, you must carefully review every single transaction you made during the entire previous 30-day billing cycle. This step sounds tedious, but it is exactly where all of your hidden financial power actually lives. You simply cannot manage what you do not accurately measure, so you must observe without any judgment. Go through your recent bank and credit card statements carefully, examining them line by line every month. Write down what you spent on groceries, restaurants, entertainment, utilities, and those sneaky hidden subscription service fees. When you do this monthly, you will quickly spot expensive financial patterns that were completely invisible before. You might suddenly realize you blew $400 on random takeout meals without even noticing it. These factual insights act like pure gold, showing you exactly where your hard-earned wealth is quietly leaking. You get to consciously decide if eating out constantly is genuinely worth sacrificing your future financial freedom. Maybe you would rather have those funds growing exponentially inside your long-term investment portfolio over the decades. After reviewing all your recent spending, you must immediately compare those numbers to your target monthly budget. A budget is not a strict deprivation plan, but a smart allocation system you control every month. Wealthy individuals always treat their monthly budget as a living document that requires constant updates and adjustments. Broke people either avoid budgeting entirely or create one unrealistic plan they never bothered to look at. If you overspent on transportation because fuel prices jumped, you simply adjust your living budget to compensate. If you spent less money on weekend entertainment, securely move that extra surplus straight into your savings. Now comes the absolute most critical part of this entire monthly meeting that guarantees massive future wealth. Look at your current savings rate and ask yourself if you can increase it by 1%. Do not attempt a massive, unsustainable jump. Just find a way to save one tiny percent more. If you canceled a useless subscription, immediately increase your automated monthly investment transfers by that exact amount. You will barely notice a 1% decrease in your checking account, but the compounding is massive. Over just a few short years, your savings rate steadily climbs from 8% to 20%. This creates total financial freedom, but it only works if you do the crucial monthly financial review. Without this monthly check-in, you simply save whatever is left over and blindly hope it is enough. Let us look closely at what happens when you commit to doing this monthly review without fail. Imagine earning the exact same steady income, but applying these small monthly optimizations to your personal spending. In month 1, you finally identify and cancel 3 random streaming services you never actually even watch. In month 3, you get a raise and immediately redirect those extra funds into your investment portfolio. In month 6, you realize your daily takeout habit is quietly draining hundreds of dollars from you. You start preparing more meals at home and quietly shift that reclaimed money into wealth-building mutual funds. By December, you were saving 12% of your income through basic awareness and tiny, painless adjustments. Meanwhile, someone avoiding this simple monthly practice continues blindly spending everything they earn without building any wealth. Over just 5 years, this simple 30-minute habit creates a massive wealth gap between you and them. Every single time you review your finances, you automatically become noticeably smarter about managing your personal wealth. You train your brain to recognize lucrative financial opportunities that you previously would have missed completely. During your meeting, you must also check your progress toward your biggest annual financial goals and targets. If you fall behind on your savings target, you have enough time to course correct before December arrives. This active management allows you to slash unnecessary expenses or launch a side hustle to generate income. The final piece of this powerful 30-minute monthly ritual involves clearly visualizing your ultimate financial future today. Look at your current numbers and realistically calculate exactly where you will be in 5 short years. If that future financial picture honestly scares you, you must change your daily spending habits right now. Most people blindly drift through life assuming things will magically work out without any real proactive effort. The monthly review violently forces you to confront your financial trajectory so you can actually improve it. If you are not sitting down every single month to optimize your wealth, you are falling behind. You can easily find 30 minutes once a month to actively secure your entire family's financial future. Block out time on your calendar for the first Sunday of every single month, starting right today. This 30-minute habit is the only real secret separating those who build lasting wealth from the broke. Take total control of your money today, or prepare to watch your hard-earned wealth slowly slip away. If this video changed how you view money, hit that subscribe button and like the video now. Watch this next video on the screen to discover the absolute fastest way to multiply your savings. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.